This is what it looks like having dreads for just about 5 years, man. It's retwist day. You know, I'm looking a little rough up here, but you know, we're gonna get that taken care of really, really soon. Length is literally to like the bottom of my chest, like the bottom of my pec is where these lay at right now. I'm gonna get these refreshed today. It's kind of gonna be like a little self-care day. We got a cut, a retwist. Probably gonna do some other things too. Might get a manicure too. To my fellas, you gotta take care of them hands. Gotta take care of them hands too, but nonetheless, we gonna get freshened up today. We gonna get right. It's long overdue and definitely necessary. Y'all need these. Everybody need these in their life. So tap in, ladies and my guys, especially my guys, cause y'all be neglecting this. I used to as well. But take care of yourself, man. Real talk.
My life is a movie, I put on the good forms. Now I get reward like some shit in the burning form. She ain't fucking with you cause your life look kinda boring. When I'm in that kitty, I'm gonna kill her, she gon' mourn it.
Made it to the appointment just a little bit early, but in the meantime, I just wanted to like give y'all some updates for anybody that's maybe has dreads, not as long as me, is thinking about starting a set of locks, whatever the case may be. Just like some maintenance tips and things of that nature. Personally, I think dreads are probably the easiest things to maintain after you get past like the budding phase, whatever they call it, something like that. When you get past that, it's pretty simple. Literally, just sleep with your head covered, whether it's a do-rag, bonnet, whatever you want. I do that, and I got silk or satin pillowcases on my bed. So, you know, even if that something slip, if I forget to put it on one night, you know, I ain't gonna mess it up. And you wanna keep them roots tight. That's the main thing, is keeping them roots tight all the time. If your dreads are bleached out like mine, I don't know if y'all saw that video I did like a year and a half ago when I first got this done. It's a lot of new growth, as you can see since then. But gotta keep them moisturized. I would say I use like a little leave-in conditioner spray. It's a mix of a couple different oils, tea tree, peppermint, coconut, with some rose water up in there. That'll keep you guys locked in, locked down for sure. It's the little things, just kind of like you would take care of curls. If you implement those same things to dreads, you're gonna be 10 steps ahead of the game, trust and believe that. Dreads is the simplest hairstyle I've ever had, the least maintenance. It's just retwist every, I say 4 to 8 weeks. I used to try to go for 6, right in the middle of those. When I was in college, I was pushing it. I was doing like 8 to 12, I ain't even gonna lie. But now that we in a different situation, definitely getting that maintained a lot more, just taking care of myself a little bit better. And hopefully you guys will too. Fresh out. Had to go for something new today, y'all. Trying something up for the season, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna stop and get some food though, cause your boy ain't ate all day long, and I got a bunch more places to hit. We in Deep Ellum right now, so let's just hope nothing happens to the car. Let's just hope. Fingers crossed for that. Every time I'm in Dallas, you know we gotta stop for the good eats. There we go. Had to slide by Hattie B's. I'm going for the one time in Deep Ellum. Y'all can see with the side details. Fresh out the shop, fresh retwist. Shouts out to my lady Queen Shan. She's the only person that's ever touched my dreads like the whole 5 years. Switch it up this time because I do the 2 strands all the time. For one, I wanted something different, and 2, I just want to put a little bit less stress on my scalp, you know, and switch it up, something like this. So we got the little bun action. I don't know, I feel like there's an older dude style. I'm only 21, but we gonna rock it. I'm gonna put my little spin on it. You know, I'm gonna put the AC flavor on there. I still gotta get that cut. Then I'm gonna slide to the little nail spot, get my manicure. So like I said, all my guys, man, you gotta take care of the hands, bro. Gotta take care of the hands, gotta look clean and everything. It's actually my first time being at this location, Hattie B's. But I mean, shoot, it's chicken, bro. Y'all got some good spots that I need to try. I mean, I'm a Dallas native, still sliding by in the comments. I'm gonna definitely pop out to them, but I'm just not used to this, bro. I'm not used to not having hair on my shoulders. It's just hella weird, but we getting used to it. Going with the flow. So,
I'll send yours with fries and baked beans.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. I'm gonna touch on this food. I'll catch y'all.
Party chocolate make me shake. What a party dance straight. I can't understand why all these bitches niggas hate. Wait, if I can't, if they bitches, they all big shoes. Or they mad at me, I'm just doing what I fucking do. Last nigga, why you watching me? Copying my moves, came in, yeah, bitch, that's the same. Every fucking model, when it's come online, they bet on me. Cause I'm fucking loud, going overseas with the bros, we gon' pop some bottles.
Everything complete now. You see it, It's getting serious, man. It's getting serious. Too official.
You know I'm gonna be ready for you.
In honor of the fresh cut, fresh retwist, there's only one place that we can end up, right? On a calm note though, I need to get these hands taken care of today. The spot I was gonna go to is this little black owned nail spot. They closed early today. I had no idea why. They usually close at 6. It is 5. I went by there, nobody was there, and there was a close sign on the door. So I gotta find somewhere else. We're gonna see what we can do for that. We gotta complete the day, man. I ain't gonna go halfway. I'm already all the way through. Head is still hurting, but you know, I think it was worth it, bro. I think it was worth it for sure.